Our Shiro, a single working mom, is frustrated by dirty air and climate change. She comes in the door with her kids and starts cooking dinner while they do homework. The news is on, it's the hottest week on record, and wildfires are raging. Her phone beeps. She picks it up and there's a dangerous air quality alert for her county. Fed up, she shows up at a school board meeting with other parents demanding action from the district on climate and clean air. The meeting ends with a resolution for community representatives to work with the district facilities manager and propose a solution. At the next board meeting, she and the other community members happily announced a joint plan with facilities to solarize their schools and save money on energy. Heads are nodding and the plan is approved. When the district installs solar carports, everyone high fives. But a month later, the facility manager checks their energy management system and shows it to the mom. The times of day when the school is using the most energy don't line up with when their solar panels are producing energy. What? She says, but I thought we were helping to reduce carbon. So the mom and facilities manager invite a very nice battery salesperson to give them a quote. The facilities manager and mom lock eyes over the estimate and shake their heads. That much extra expense just isn't in the school district's budget and there's no payback. Certain there's a more affordable option, the mom researches how to best use rooftop solar. She shows the facilities manager a solution that uses artificial intelligence to automatically shift energy use in buildings based on a building user's preferences. After an easy setup, the facility manager logs into CEL and connects the first school's HVAC system. They look at each other anxiously. He hands her the iPad and she selects the Save the Planet option, which shifts their energy use to when their solar is making it. Unsure but hopeful, they wait to see whether their system will perform or if they'll end up with an internet of broken things. They nervously check their phones only to see that CEL is shifting their energy use to clean times in the day. To their satisfaction, everything works automatically. Better yet, for the curious students and community, a dashboard provides insights into what was done to make their solar and energy use work together for cleaner air. At the next school board meeting, the mom and facilities manager present their results. The program is a hit. The district has drastically reduced their greenhouse gas emissions. And because they're now importing less electricity from the grid at peak times, the district is also saving thousands of dollars per month in utility demand charges in addition to the energy they're saving from solar. Local parents, community members, and kids stand up and applaud. Realizing she'd make an even bigger impact if she also changed her behavior at home, the mom looks at the app on her phone, sees that the grid is dirty, turns off the hallway light, and smiles.